Look at that sign. That's how you get down. You go down that. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna take the wide road, the smooth path. You know, as Christians, we're told to go down the narrow road. This time we're just gonna go down the easy one. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. There's a turtle right there. Right here. He's sitting right there. That dark spot, that's the turtle. Wait, another one over there. Beautiful swimming turtles. Just sitting right here. Right in front of us. So cool. I think he's gonna go back out. No, he's sitting right here. Just chilling. Right here. That's so cool. This one's trying to get closer. It's trying to get closer to the one right here. There's another big one right here. There's another one right there. That one right there. I don't see any more. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, he's right here. Look at it. That's beautiful. Look at him. He's right there, and there's one right there.